Get ready for a game changer in the world of streaming. Netgem's PLEIO is here to revolutionize your entertainment experience. This sleek and powerful streaming device, the PLEIO, is designed to offer an all-encompassing entertainment solution without the need for traditional antennas or satellite dishes. Netgem, a leading TV and entertainment platform provider, has unveiled this innovative puck-shaped gadget, and it's set to shake up the market. The PLEIO, a streaming sensation. The PLEIO, pronounced as PLEIO, is the culmination of Netgem's vision, building upon Freely's initial announcement last summer. Freely, a live streaming service, responded to Ofcom's call for a modern approach to public service media, and Netgem has delivered with this groundbreaking product. What sets the PLEIO apart is its compatibility with Freely, the first external streaming box to achieve this. With this device, you gain access to a vast array of streaming services, including the likes of Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video, all on one platform. Unveiling Freely, a Freeview revolution. Freely is a unique offering, typically unavailable on Android or Google TVs. It's a live-streamed version of the UK's Freeview HD digital broadcast service, providing access to a vast selection of channels over broadband. Imagine being able to watch your favorite shows without the need for an aerial or dish. Freely also boasts an extensive on-demand library, regularly expanding its content providers beyond the BBC, ITV, Channel 4, and Channel 5. The impact of Netgem's PLEIO. The significance of the PLEIO lies in its ability to bring Freely to a wider audience. For those without Freely-supported TVs, this device is a game-changer. Simply connect it to your TV's HDMI port, and you're ready to stream all that Freely offers. The remote even features a dedicated Freely button for quick access. The retail package, priced at £99, includes a wireless joystick, a remote control, and the PLEIO puck itself. This bundle offers exceptional value, especially considering the device's capabilities. A smart solution for streaming. While many modern TVs have built-in smart platforms with popular streaming apps, the PLEIO takes it a step further. By combining these apps with Freely, you get a seamless streaming experience without the need to switch between your TV's smart system and external devices. The PLEIO's voice recognition and search system, accessible via a mic button on the remote, adds to its convenience. In terms of technical specs, the PLEIO supports 4K video with HDR10 high dynamic range and Dolby Atmos sound, ensuring a top-notch viewing experience. Gaming on the PLEIO. Netgem is excited to showcase the PLEIO's gaming capabilities. With a specially designed wireless joystick, you can access and play over 250 console games as part of a Netgem PLEIO subscription. This subscription, which is not required for Freely access, offers a wide range of gaming options. Availability and pricing. The Netgem PLEIO is available now in two convenient options. You can purchase it as a standalone device for £99, which includes the puck, remote, gamepad, and a 3-month trial subscription. After the trial, the subscription is £9.99 per month. Alternatively, you can opt for ISP bundles, where the PLEIO is available for £9.99 per month without the upfront cost, offering access to all the platform's content. And here's the controversial part. With the PLEIO's impressive features, is it set to disrupt the streaming market? Will it encourage more companies to offer similar all-in-one solutions? Share your thoughts in the comments.